Hey fam, welcome to LUCKYCHARMAK. Today I'm showing you this epic mini world I built on a plate. A tiny village with 3 cute houses, a boat and a handmade stream, and lush greenery. Left, pink house with golden roof and a yellow ladder. Back, black house with blue roof. Right, white house with red roof. All handcrafted to feel cozy. In the center, I made a waterfall and stream with rocks, and a wooden boat. Added pink and white lotus flowers for that magical touch. Tiny mushrooms and moss-covered stones give the scene a fantasy vibe. I used everyday craft materials, clay, paint, and resin for water effect. Tip: use clear epoxy resin for realistic water. Mix in blue pigment and layer it thin for a natural look. Which mini scene should I build? Hey fam, check out this awesome miniature diorama I built, a tiny village with houses. A waterfall, a bridge, and a boat on a blue pond. Left, gray house with green roof and a chimney. Right, red house with white snow-capped roof and a round window. Both are handmade from clay. In the center, a white waterfall flows into a blue water pond. A yellow wooden bridge crosses the stream with pink and white flowers nearby. A yellow rowboat with red-yellow paddles floats on the pond, surrounded by gray rocks and green grass details. Trees are green paper cones, rocks are mottled clay, and water is epoxy resin with blue pigment for a realistic look. Tip: layer thin epoxy resin for clear water effect, then add pigment for depth. What mini scene should I build next? Drop your idea in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY miniatures. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Third, miniature scene with 2 stilt houses on a sandy beach with ocean front. Base setup: use a stiff board, sketch shoreline and house positions. Cover the sand area with brown craft sand or textured acrylic paint. Asterisk step 2, house construction asterisk. Cut balsa strips for wooden siding. Assemble 2 houses with glue. Add a beige triangular roof, left, and a red corrugated roof, right. Attach porch decks. Details: add windows from clear acetate and doors from thin wood. Paint wood grain texture. Put yellow steps on the left porch and a white ladder on the right. Stilts: make stilts from thin wooden skewers. Add diagonal braces for support. Glue stilts to the base and houses securely. Beach: paint water with layered blues. Use white acrylic mixed with gel medium for wave foam. Embed gray rocks in the shoreline. Add a yellow beach highlight line. Landscaping: create palm trees with wire stems and green foam leaves. Place one behind the left house. Add tiny green bushes near the right house.
Fourth, a red house, white roof, waterfall, forest and garden. I'm breaking down how to make this mini scene step by step. Perfect for craft beginners. Base: use a stiff board. Sketch layout: cover grass area with green felt or acrylic paint. House: build the red house from balsa wood. Add white corrugated roof and yellow steps. Use acetate windows and paper flower pots. Garden: make white fence and stone path with foam circles. Add paper flowers and grey rocks near the river. Forest: create pine trees from green cardstock. Layer leaves for depth. Place behind the house. Waterfall and river: paint riverbed blue. Use clear resin or gel medium plus blue pigment for water. Build tiered waterfall with plastic and blue shading. Asterisk tip: mix white paint plus gel medium for foam on waterfall's droplet. Sandpaper rocks for texture. That's the whole project, a charming mini world in minutes.
Asterisk 5T, yo craft lovers, paint color, check out this cute diorama, 2 tiny houses, a waterfall between a river and sandy shore. I'm breaking down how to make this whole scene step by step. Perfect for craft beginners. Base: use a stiff board for the base. Sketch layout: paint bottom area blue for water and brown for sand. Rock formation: build 2 grey rock cliffs with clay or foam. Carve a gap for waterfall. Cover rocks with moss and green foliage. Asterisk houses: left house, yellow walls, red roof, white fence, blue porch. Right house, red walls, white roof, blue circular window, yellow steps. Use balsa wood and acrylic paint. Waterfall and river: make waterfall with clear resin or gel medium plus white pigment for foam. Paint river blue with white highlights. Add grey stones in water. Details: add yellow flower and green plants near right house. Use sand texture for shore. Add tiny accessories like chairs. Finishing: seal diorama with matte spray. Tip: mix resin with blue ink for realistic water and layer for depth droplet. That's the whole project. 2 cute houses with a waterfall scene. Like, share, subscribe, comment what mini scene you'll make next and hit bell for more crafts. Details. Add yellow flower and green plants near right house. Use sand texture for sure. Add tiny accessories like chairs. Finishing. Seal diorama with matte spray. Tip. Mix resin with blue ink for realistic water and layer for depth properly. That's the whole project. 2 cute houses with a waterfall scene. Like, share, subscribe, comment what mini scene you'll make next and hit bell for more crafts.
Sixth, I am going to show you this amazing mushroom house craft project that I made. This mushroom house is made out of clay and paint. It has a big red mushroom as the roof with white spots on it. The house itself is a white rounded shape with 2 blue windows that have black X marks on them. The door is red with a yellow triangle in the middle. Around the mushroom house there are 5 smaller mushrooms of different colors placed on green moss grass. The colors of the small mushrooms are yellow, purple, blue, red and green, all with white spots. There is a grey stone pathway leading to the red door of the mushroom house. This craft is perfect for kids' art projects or fairy garden decorations. To make this you need clay, acrylic paints in red, white, blue, black, yellow, green, purple and grey, paint brushes, and some moss or green felt for grass. First you shape the big mushroom roof and the white house body out of clay and let them dry. Then you paint the roof red with white spots and the body white. Paint the windows blue with black X shapes and the door red with a yellow triangle. Next make the small mushrooms out of clay, paint them in different colors with white spots, and place them on green moss around the house. Make a grey stone path leading to the door using clay or painted stones. This mushroom house makes a cute fairy tale scene. You can use it as a decoration or a gift topper. I hope you enjoyed this craft tutorial. If you like this video please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.
Handmade treehouse craft model with green foliage on top, a brown trunk, a beige wooden door with a red window, a white fence and a ladder leading to the door. The hands are holding the base, which is green. We're creators today. We're making a cute treehouse craft. List the items you used: brown and green modeling clay foam, craft sticks for the fence and ladder, red paper for the window, base foam, glue, paint. Each shape the tree trunk from brown clay and add roots on a green base. Form the foliage with green sponge or textured material on top. Make the house front with beige strips for wood panels and add a red window. Attach a white fence and ladder with craft sticks. Add finishing touches like texture to the leaves and bark. Let me know what you'd build next. Like, share, subscribe, please. Eighth, the farm diorama appears to be made with these common craft materials: base, foam board or cardboard covered with green craft paper or felt to represent grass; fence, white printed wood or plastic picket strips; tree, purple sponge or foam for foliage; brown craft stick or paper for the trunk, and orange clay or plastic beds for the fruit; hut, natural straw or raffia for the thatched roof, with a wooden or cardboard base; pond, blue resin, gel or cellophane to simulate water; rocks made from clay or stone chips; bridge, thin wooden slats or balsa wood; animals and flowers, plastic toy figurines and craft flowers, paper or polymer; extras, green craft leaves and decorative gravel for landscaping. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.